Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and something that has always been a pantry staple for me is honey. And I have been loving using this Niagara's Honey Wildflower honey. Now, something about this honey that is absolutely essential to me is the fact that it is unpasteurized. This is really important to me because I want all of that honey goodness to be preserved and totally uncompromised. I have been really impressed by its very high quality, and it is so delicious. I love the fact that it's pourable, so it's really easy for me to spoon it out and measure it out for my recipes, and I definitely sneak a taste or two now and then straight up from the jar, and it is really tasty. I find it to have just this beautiful amber color, and it has an amazing silky smooth texture. It works perfectly either as a sweet topping or as an ingredient in my recipes. I think its delicate flavor has paired so well with seasonal summer fruits like peaches and strawberries. It has been excellent for everyday use. I find it to be so versatile. It has worked so well in savory and sweet recipes. In my opinion, this Niagara's honey tastes exactly like great honey should taste. But that's just my point of view.